This is Wheeler's Pass, a 26-mile playground with dozens of trail options spiderwebbed across the eastern Spring Mountains. Good old-fashioned hill climb. I tell you what, there was definitely some more intense spots here that I used to do back in the day before I had two very precious little girls in the back seat. I don't do that stuff anymore because if anything bad happens, like, it's never worth it to me. The ego game is not fun to play anymore, but check these out. These don't look near as steep as they really are. But boy, are they fun. This isn't even the steepest. Here comes Billy boy. Another 40 horsepower edition. All right, we've had our fun on this hill. We are going to keep pushing on. Wheeler's Pass, it's gonna bring us up through here. Right over here is Wheeler's Saddle, and it's gonna drop us over into Cold Creek. I did a video previously coming from Cold Creek, trying to get over this way. It was too snowy, it's too icy. So we're coming from the Pahrump side now, and we're gonna drop into Cold Creek. If you've never been here, look it up on Onyx. It's fun. If you're passing through Vegas, Wheeler's Pass is definitely a trail to do, especially if you're camping, an overlander type person, whatever you want to call it. It's fun. So let's keep going. Second stop, charcoal kilns. This place used to be super cool when I was a kid. As you can tell from the shotgun blast, these charcoal kilns are probably not going to be in the greatest of shape. And boy, I tell you what, you guessed right.
Goddamn bush light.
Hence why there is now chain link and bush light cans. Yeah, there you go. When I was like 15, these charcoal kilns were all like fully standing and good looking and fun, and you could go inside of them and do stuff, but not no mo.
A sign that says, "Please don't erase the traces of America's past," has been shot several hundred times.
Yeah, here you go. Please don't erase the traces of America's past. Instead,
good job, local.
Let's just shoot at it. Ridiculous is what it is. But these are cool. They used to, well, you guessed it, make charcoal here. Status update. We are in the trees. We're almost to the saddle of Wheeler's Pass. We're just kind of creeping through like all this really closed-in trees and shrubs, and it's super awesome. And it's almost like we're driving through that closet in Narnia when they're trying to get through the trees. I'll see y'all when we get to the top. I love Wheeler's Pass. I love it so much. This is just scratching the surface. There's so much more to do. There's so many places to camp. One day, when I have a $9 million rooftop tent like the rest of you YouTubers. Just kidding. We have made it to the peak. We are here. Billy took my kids, hiked up this hill, way up there. Now we're going like halfway there. I got the asthma. It ain't easy being wheezy, but I love it up here. It's time to start making our way down that way into Cold Creek. Fun times, fun times. The drive down into Cold Creek does have some hairy spots, but if you're confident, it's all in good fun.
Hop additions balance the sweetness from the hint of pure Montana honey to complete a delightful drinking experience.
I was just gonna say, something is sweet in there, and I don't know what it is.
If you want one, you can have one.
Tell me how you feel. Alright folks, this concludes Sunday Funday. Wheeler's Pass was fun. Got my best friend with me and my family with me. Nothing happened, nothing broke. I got my celebratory, nothing broke, end of the day beer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want. Pretty soon, I got good shit happening, check it out. Look at all the goodies. Just all piled up. That's going in. Got the C4 bumper at the powder coater right now. What's in this box?
Yeah, baby.
So, if I get the bumper back from powder coat this week, it's going on next weekend. Thank you for watching. Toodles.